Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at VeChain here, and as we can see, looking like it is having a very nice little tasty backtest of this range again. You can see quite clearly what's been going on over the past few months with VeChain. Obviously right now the market following Bitcoin quite closely. Bitcoin right now sitting at a very key level of resistance in its range. If we take a quick look at Bitcoin, actually you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Let's just see if I can actually spell. You can see here very clear on the Bitcoin chart what's going on. The range that we were in before for so long here, just consolidating. We get that FTX collapse, which, you know, basically black swan event to try and wipe some more people out here. Got down to around, what was this, 15 and a half, 16k. We couldn't even get down anywhere near that 10k level that loads of people wanted. Big run to the upside, back inside the range. You can see all the way up to the range high here. Got rejected, come all the way back down, back testing that bear market resistance here again. Backtest. Really nice backtest here, and then a huge run up all the way up to resistance again. Overextension here, getting rejected, and now looking like potentially consolidating up in this area here like this, waiting for maybe some continuation, which would be really cool to see. But overall, I would say right now Bitcoin looking like, you know, potentially could be looking at maybe a little bit of a breakout. Obviously we've got these bearish divergences on the charts like this as well, so a little bit cautious in that regard. But you can see here VeChain pretty much emulating exactly day to day what Bitcoin has been doing. You can see here with Bitcoin, you know, having that descent to the downside. We've got that nice pump back inside the range for VeChain, back down here to retest the low, and today having another little renaissance to the upside. I have got a long position, as I said, ready in this area that has probably been filled at this level now, and I'll be looking to essentially target the middle of the range somewhere in this area here. I do think this middle of the range swing high, you know, this resistance here, support here, probably back into resistance maybe here would be a key level that I would be looking to take profits at. But overall for VeChain right now, just following Bitcoin, isn't it? Obviously every time Bitcoin bleeds, VeChain bleeds harder, and every time that Bitcoin pumps, VeChain pumps weaker, doesn't it? So overall we are bleeding in terms of percentages, really, aren't we? Not looking anywhere close to as strong as Bitcoin has been looking. Bitcoin getting all the way back up to the top of its range, came down and it's back at the top of its range again, whereas VeChain, you can see here at the bottom of its range right now, looking like it is actually showing quite a lot of weakness recently. And really, you know, we do need to see Bitcoin coming up and making a new higher high really for VeChain to see any kind of upside, in my opinion, because right now we are essentially sitting at a level where if Bitcoin does come back inside its range, we are going to see downside for VeChain, losing probably this swing low back down towards these lows down here if Bitcoin does start to roll over quite a lot. So right now kind of sitting on a knife's edge really with Bitcoin, waiting to see what happens next. VeChain right now, as I said, the way I'm playing this, got a long position in this area here. Stop loss is probably going to be just down here in this area, and take profit, as I said, at that middle of the range, trading the range until it breaks in either direction. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, please consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to the private Discord where I'm hanging out most days with other investors, so if you do want to get an edge on the markets, please do sign up. That would really be very helpful for me indeed, and I'll see you in the next video.